Now, if for whatever reason you need to contact customer service, you can click on this icon that looks like a mic headphone. Click on the headphone to take you, to redirect you to the customer service of Palmpay. So I'm being redirected to the customer service. So here it says customer service. Hi Palmpay, how can we help you today? So these are the options I have. If none of them suits me, you can go through the frequently asked questions, another transaction, here the frequently asked questions. Or you can just click on all, select all, and see everything. See, if you have a problem that fits this category, you can easily select it from here. But if you do not have a problem that fits the category, you can decide to have a live chat. So you select live chats. And here you go. Here are some more options. You hear, hello, I'm customer Palmer. I'm here to help you. Please ask me questions in a general way. This is the Palmpay service bot. But if you don't choose any of this one, you can still contact us by typing live chat. And you'll be redirected to a manual customer service. You have to be patient. Then you click in, you see it's saying, hi, what can I do? Thank you for contacting us. My name is Beatrice. How may I assist you? So you can now tell them the problem. Since I don't have any problems right now, I don't need to type in. But if I did have a problem, for example, I type it in, but since I don't have a problem, I need to type it in and send it. So that is how to contact customer service from Palmpay.